The creamy fennel soup is exquisite, and the fact that Michelangelo ate it repeatedly makes it even more interesting.
It is called Michelangelo's menu and is based on two historical elements: the shopping list written by Buonarroti in 1518 and preserved in Casa Buonarroti in Florence, and the wines of the Antico Podere Casanova in Castellina in Chianti, which was once owned by the artist.
The Casanova, Casavecchia, and La Torre estates, and some plots of Grignanello, are located in a basin characterized by a microclimate and a type of soil that contribute to the excellent quality of the wine produced here. Michelangelo learned of this in 1549, but as he was working in Rome at the time, he commissioned his nephew Leonardo to purchase these estates.
The estates in Castellina and Chianti remained the property of the Buonarroti family until 1867. The young Mattia belongs to the Bucciarelli family, who took over the Antico Podere Casanova in 1926. The food portion of Michelangelo's menu is prepared at the Antico Fattore restaurant, not far from the Uffizi Gallery.
Michelangelo wrote a shopping list for one of his servants, accompanied by small drawings because the servant could not read. It is a special shopping list because it refers to a Lenten dinner, so there is no meat.
The menu includes salted anchovies, fennel soup, ricotta and spinach tortelli, and marinated herring with puree. However, the rigor of Lent is betrayed by the colonnata lard and the peposo alla fornacina with which the tortelli are seasoned.
I made this creamy fennel soup using 700 grams of fennel, 300 grams of sweet potato, a shallot, and salt to taste. I didn't fry anything. I used vegetable stock to bring it to the boil.
The Antico Fattore Award has been around since 1930. Writers, sculptors, and artists of the caliber of Quasimodo and Montale were honored. Today, we carry on the family tradition, respecting this artistic and cultural aspect.
Our interlocutors are part of Vetrina Toscana, a regional project that brings together food and wine operators to promote local traditions. You can sample Michelangelo's menu by booking for a minimum of 6 people at least 1 week in advance.